Perched high on a quiet plateau in the picturesque village of Aldona, North Goa, overlooking the gentle curves of the Corjuem River, stands the timeless St. Thomas Church, a sanctuary of faith, history, and architectural grace that has watched over this land for more than 4 centuries. Located just 8 kilometers from Mapusa, the church is one of the oldest and most revered parishes in the Bardez region, deeply rooted in the spiritual and cultural life of its people. From its elevated position, it commands a peaceful presence, a silent guardian overlooking villages, rivers, and generations that have passed beneath its gaze. The story of St. Thomas Church begins in the 16th century when the Franciscans first arrived in Aldona with a mission to spread the gospel. In 1569, they built a modest chapel at Coimavaddo, marking the humble beginnings of Christian life in this vibrant village. As the community grew in faith and number, the need for a larger and more central place of worship became evident. In 1596, the present site was chosen, laying the foundation for the church that stands today. With its whitewashed facade and commanding position above the Corjuem backwaters, St. Thomas Church became a landmark visible from afar, a symbol of peace, devotion, and enduring presence amid Goa's lush landscape. Each year, the Feast of St. Thomas, celebrated on the second Saturday after Easter, fills the church with life, drawing parishioners together in prayer, procession, and joyful celebration, just as it has for generations. Today, St. Thomas Church remains far more than a place of worship. It stands as a living bridge between past and present, a cultural and spiritual anchor for Aldona. Whether through the stillness of daily prayer, the warmth of festive gatherings, or a quiet walk along its grounds overlooking greenery and calm waters, visitors sense an unbroken continuity of faith. Here, heritage and spirituality meet, and the legacy of those early pioneers continues to inspire, unite, and guide a community, quietly, faithfully, and enduringly through time.